Cactus can just exist or thrive based on the exact rock supply. This episode explores the intricate relationship between specific rock types and the growth and development of two genera, Pelecyphora and Echinocereus. By analyzing the geological composition of their nature-real habitats, we aim to optimize cultivation techniques and promote the conservation and spread of unique, useful, and medicinal plants before everything's endangered. Stick around to hear some crazy theories, find out where I got them, help solve some mysteries, and maybe see exactly how you can give it a try. Afforest an area near you. Let's take a look now at 5 species. The first is the Pelecyphora missouriensis. It lives for laminated ironstone, lithic, piezolytic, iron 2 and 3 nodule concretions, and hematite-rich coccineus from the Woodbine Formation, Cenomanian age, late Cretaceous period. These rocks, common in the ancient river delta system between Arlington, Texas and the Red River, provide ideal conditions for this species. While most late Cretaceous ironstones are burgundy, the most beneficial type for P. missouriensis is a bright red lacquered variety. I've observed that seeds of this species germinate when placed under ironstone from the Great Albian Adaptation period, a time of significant geological change. This suggests that the specific mineral composition of this rock type is crucial for the cactus's growth and development. Radioactive elements like strontium were subbed and incorporated for calcium into the shells of fauna. Experiments with other rock types, such as nearby Red River jasper of Albian age and ammonite chert, similar in color, age, and suspected composition, yielded lackluster, no-influence results. This indicates that E. missouriensis has a strong preference for iron-rich, red-colored rocks from the Cretaceous period. Echinocereus coccineus and Echinocereus triglochiadiatus are 2 cacti species with a significant medicinal value. Native Americans traditionally used E-triglo with dimethylhistamine dihydrochloride for its potential cognitive benefits, while E. coccineus was used as a heart stimulant. Both species thrive in magnesium and manganese-rich metafeldspars, specifically microcline varieties, in the southern Front Range of the Rocky Mountains. These rocks, characterized by their perfect 90-degree cleavage planes and hardness exceeding quartz, provide ideal growing environment for these cacti. Interestingly, these species also seem to benefit from the presence of rare earth elements. In regions with large natural populations of these cacti, I've observed thin dendritic sheets of telluride, gold, copper, and tungsten within quartz monzonite formations. Additionally, elements like uranium, lead, and other heavy metals are also present in the surrounding rock. While these elements can contribute to the overall mineral content of the soil, it's important to note that excessive exposure to radiation can be harmful. We have a relaxing video on Phantom Canyon for a full 360 4K experience of the best exposures of this geologic formation. Pelecyphora vivipara, true to its name, is a unique cactus that gives live birth. It produces pods that remain attached to the plant, and seeds germinate while still on the mother plant. This species thrives in specific geologic conditions, particularly areas with wet, pink metafeldspar near the Front Range uplift. It also has a strong affinity for limestone and dolomite formations, such as the Manitou Formation in Colorado. These rocks, rich in fluorite and dolomite, provide the ideal mineral balance for the plant's growth. I've even observed E. viviparia populations in the Algala Formation in Texas, where fluorite-rich pebbles from nearby streams contribute to the suitable habitat. Earlier this year, my E. viviparia plant produced a beautiful wreath of pink flowers. It's expected to produce another crop of seeds in 2025, so it's wise to prepare by sourcing metaquartzite from these areas, a rock type that can complement the plant's mineral needs. Echinocereus virdiflorus, a colorful cactus with rings of red spines, typically thrives in red, crumbly sandstones and granite formations of Mesoproterozoic origin. These rocks provide essential elements like iron, calcium, and magnesium for the plant's growth. However, there's an intriguing mystery surrounding this species. Significant populations of E. virdiflorus have been observed in gravel deposits from the late Pliocene Pinedale glaciation. This suggests that the cactus may be drawn to specific trace elements present in these glacial sediments. While the exact element remains elusive, it's likely tied to the nearby mineral composition in nearby rocks. Quartz mica feldspar-rich rocks of this Pinedale fallout are often associated with these cacti. Mica, in particular, is known to contain various trace metals and rare earth elements betwixt its layers. I've seen, through growing, these elements clearly play a role in the plant's growth and development rate. So that's it. I've found through growing and hand sourcing specific rock a greater understanding of the exact geological requirements of cacti within Pelecyphora and Echinocereus genres. By providing them with the right mineral-rich substrates, we can mimic their natural habitats and encourage optimal growth. Stay tuned for future updates as we delve deeper into the world of cacti and their geologic connections. And remember, if you're interested in acquiring the precise rock types discussed in this episode, keep an eye out for future sales by clicking the link in description.